Hello Smarties! Let's meet our Arabic alphabet friends. Today in our lesson we have my niece Nada with us.
مرحبا أنا ندى.
Do you remember these letters? These are our wave letters. Noon, Ta, Ba, Tha, Ya. Nada, do you know what these lines on top of our letters are?
فتحة
Very good. What sound does a Fathah make? Very good. Can you try and read this?
ن ب ت ث ي.
Excellent. These are our loopy loop letters. Ha, Waaw, Fa, Qaaf, Meem. Can you read this?
ه م ف ق و.
Very good. The Qaaf makes a heavy sound. Qa.
ق.
Very good. These are our belly letters. Ha, Jeem, Khaa, Ghain, Ghain. Ha, Jeem, Khaa look similar, but you must notice their dots carefully. Ain and Ghain look similar. Ain is without a dot and Ghain has a dot. Can you read this, Nada?
ح ج ع خ غ.
Very good. You've done that perfectly. You noticed all the dots. Our next belly letters are Saad, Daad, Sheen, Sheen.
ظ
Ba.
ض
Very good.
س ص ش.
Excellent. Let's do it one more time. Ba,
ض
Sa,
س
Sa,
ص
Sha.
ش.
Let's see if you can identify these letters.
ض و س ح ع.
Good. Next one.
ه ق ب س ي.
Excellent.
ض
Ba. Does it have a dot?
نو
What letter is this?
ص
Good.
س ش ع ق.
Good job. Did you notice the difference between the Tha and the Sha?
Yes.
The Sheen has teeth like a beaver and the Tha is like a pointy wave. Today we'll meet our new alphabet friends, the tall letters. Which animal is taller?
Giraffe.
Good. And is the flower taller or the tree?
Flower.
Oh no. What's taller?
Tree.
Good. So in Arabic, we have some letters which look tall. Do you see them?
Yes.
Our first tall letter is the letter Kaaf. Kaaf can look like this or like this. Kaaf with the Fathah makes Ka. Ka. Can you read this?
K. 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 K.
Good. Our next tall letter is the letter Thaa. Thaa with the Fathah Thaa. Can you read this?
Ba. 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 Ba.
Excellent. Our next letter looks like a Thaa, but it has a dot on top. This is our letter Zaaw. Thaa and Zaaw. Thaa has no dot and Zaaw has a dot on it. Zaaw with the Fathah Zaaw.
Za. 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 Za.
Can you spot the Zaaw in this?
It's in the middle.
Right, good job. It's this one with the dot on it. Our next letter is the letter Laam. Laam with a Fathah makes La. Can you read this?
La, 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 la.
Our last tall letter is the letter
Alif.
Good job! Alif is also the first letter of our Arabic alphabet. Alif with the Fathah makes the A sound. But there's something special about Alif. Alif is one of those letters which only holds hands on one side. It only holds hands with the letter before it. Alif only holds hands with the letter before it and never with the letter after it. Lam joins hands on both sides with the letter before and the letter after it. Can you spot the Alif here, Nada?
Is it here?
Oh, remember, Alif does not join hands with the letter after it. Alif only joins hands with the letter before it. Can you spot it? Yes, very good. This is our Alif as it never joins hands with the letter after it. Can you tell me which of these has the Alif in it?
This one.
The one at the top or the bottom?
The top.
Very good. Which one has the Alif over here?
Is it at the bottom?
Yes, this is our Alif because it doesn't join hands with the letter after it. Let's revise the tall letters we learned today.
Alif, Lam, Kaaf, Thaa, Zaaw.
Good. Can you read them?
Kaaf, Lam, Thaa.
Oh, Nada, can you read the sound of it? What sound does it make when we have a Fathah on it?
Ka.
Good. Kaaf with a Fathah. Ka.
La, Ta, Ta, Ka.
Good job. Next one.
Ka, Ta, Ta, La, Ka.
Excellent. Let's do one more.
Ta, La, Ta, Ta, La.
Good job. This one is a challenge question for you. Try to do it all by yourself. If you need a little help, do it with me. Ka, la, pa, ka, pa, ka. Very good. That brings us to the end of our lesson. إلى اللقاء.